guys, it's 13 Crown here. I'm at Disney World. I have the hiccups.
You fucking moron.
I'm not a moron.
That's not right.
Look where I'm from where I'm standing. you're like a beacon of moron.
See, it's like there's like car. It's called Sci-Fi.
If there was a village full of morons, you'd be its leader.
Sci-fi dine-in theater.
Sci-Fi
Dine-in theater.
dine-in theater. And there's cars here, and then there's the little thing. And
Yeah, and they just had like a commercial on there for a self-driving car that she really needs. So guys, please send her money. That way she can afford to get one. Because I'm deathly afraid of her driving. Just saying.
don't listen to him. I'm a great driver.
How's she driving a go-kart?
Actually, I did pretty well, don't you think, Mom?
Yeah, that's a golf cart. It goes like,
Except for when
like
we told
10
her to
miles
pull
an hour.
off to the side when another golf
I didn't know what
cart
to
comes.
do.
So she pulls off into this. She puts us into the freaking hedge. Me and Anita are like, because we're sitting on this side of the car. Me and Anita I mean, we're just like, I'm like, no, Amelia, she drives us right into the hedge.
I didn't know. You didn't tell me what to do.
Usually there's
Get
no
out
way
of
to
the
go
said,
car
right.
and we're
Moron.
covered with leaves and branches and stuff.
Those are all rose bushes or thorn bushes, you know.
Well, I learned my lesson, didn't I? I didn't do that again, did I?
Men
Nope.
into the grass, don't pull into the
No,
hedge.
you do know spatial perception is needed for your driver's test, right?
Yes.
So if there's a hedge there and you crash into it, you fail your test.
Well, there's grass on the other side.
Yeah, and if you go into that, you're gonna fail your test.
Well, I couldn't go anywhere
You're
else.
gonna mark up your car.
The sidewalk wasn't big
But
enough.
always, if you have a choice of crashing into the hedge or crashing into the grass, grass is always a better option.
And usually when you see somebody else coming, usually you swerve to the right instead of the left.
She did go to
Well,
the right.
she
The
went
hedge
to
is
the
on.
did,
right
okay.
and crashes into the hedge.
Oh, okay.
Alright, Millie, so let me get this straight.
There was a hedge.
You're driving down the road. Someone's coming towards you.
Here's the
You have a
hedge.
choice of
Here
either
we're
going
She goes
right into
into
some
it like
cars
this.
or going left
Me and
into an
Anita are
open
like,
lane.
No,
left.
we're getting straight.
Not the choice that you made. You're like, cars.
That's too funny.
No. They're joking.
By the way, she has hiccups again.
Yeah, I have hiccups. I told them.
Oh, I remember. I know you all have to be sick of these movies by now, so if you start thumbing her down for these, that would be great. If you want more,
I
if you want
still
more of
have
my
like
rants,
I still have like 1,000 views from my last hiccup video, which
You
was
people
number
need a
13.
life.
What?
I'm sorry guys, but y'all need a life. If you're just watching somebody hiccup,
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Because
Do you
I'm-
really want this?
I'm gonna see what they have.
I want a hot fudge sundae.
Fasten your seatbelts, folks, and join the Space Cadets.
I'm not gonna have all of it. I'm just gonna have a little bit of it.
Seeking new worlds to conquer, the simian stars of the St. Louis Zoo open the
I think Jin's on the
first
smoke break.
annual chimpanzee show.
He's been here so much, you know, now he's not.
Once on the moon, one of the fearless space cadets blasts off again.
I'm having a good time.
Swing buddy. Long
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
Are you having a good time?
Why don't you go up to the front and ask if we can have a menu so we can look at the dessert? So when he does come back, we're not waiting for that.
Let's go, guys.
Because we're wasting time and we could be in the park.
Hold up my shorts. Alright, here we go. And then still have the hiccups. People behind me. I am backstage. So, hold on. Hey, can we get a menu for the desserts? Huh? Can we get the menu for the desserts? Right here? Okay. Thank you. Menu. Here. This is a good view of it. But, that was a good view, wasn't it? I think it was. Sorry. sorry.
Scared.
She's gonna drop the plates
Yeah,
now.
my hiccups.
Alright.
You know.
There is an apple crumble, a hot fudge sundae.
We have a dessert?
Peanut
I definitely
butter chocolate
Oh, thank you.
cake.
Oh, chills.
Well, I come up and she gets chills now. Wow.
Oh, and not like that. I'm so sorry.
Or red velvet cheesecake.
Oh my god, those are so
Raspberry
loud.
sauce
We're doing
and
a
whipped
hot
cream.
fudge sundae.
Oh yeah, getting that.
Is that what you're
Yeah.
getting?
Yeah.
I'm not having anything.
You love? You said?
No way.
I'm gonna have the red velvet cheesecake, please.
Cheese.
Okay.
Thank you.
You don't
Much
want a
obliged, much
sundae?
obliged.
Huh?
You don't want a sundae?
You're a
Nope.
good man, Jim. You're a good man.
It's too cold.
I'm trying.
Too cold to have ice cream in here. Ugh, I
I
keep
like
getting
Jim.
to
He's
it.
doing a good job.
He is.
He disappeared for a while. I put him on a cigarette break, but you know.
Dum 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 dum
Well, while we're
dum
eating anyways,
dum 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 dum.
Are you still
Take
recording?
a picture of this cool looking table.
Look at
man.
this.
Are you still
Our
recording?
table.
Yes.
What's the smell of it look like?
Dum 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 Oh.
Yeah, that cheesecake at the turnip place is not any good at all.
No, she's not on bath salts.
So you're gonna try this one?
All that
Oh, I'm gonna
stuff.
see.
And you eat.
Any secrets in these better, honey.
All that pussy on the beach and you eat a man's face?
Say it on YouTube.
All that pussy on the beach and you eat a man's face?
Hey.
These are our friends.
Mom's
that put this up, man.
It's on reaction.
That is uncalled for. Let me punch you in the face right now. He beat you with your own hat.
It's alright, I'll get her some ice. Later.
What?
I'll get Mama with a piece of
Tom
ice
and
later.
Jerry.
Watching.
Million, you're still recording.
I know. I'm recording the thing.
These people have a life.
Are you sure?
Well, never mind. They're obviously following this video still.
Maybe she's gonna get back and she's gonna have no views. Or
Oh, jeez.
or 15,000 views, all from Dylan.
That's what the
Well,
1,000.
he's not allowed. He's prohibited from going on my 13 crime videos.
Who's that?
Hi.
Dylan.
Why?
Because I just don't want him to go on my 13 crime videos.
I'm gonna show them all.
I look like an alien. I look like a different person.
Wow.
Oh, I'm turning 16.
Guys, if this video goes completely viral,
16. Yeah, buddy.
if this video goes completely
Tomorrow.
viral, like over 1 million views, I'll show up in the next one in lingerie.
Please, please give me 1 million views. Share with all your friends. And subscribe. Subscribe.
If that doesn't get him incentive, I don't know what will.
He's gonna be in his birthday suit. Wait a second. Wait a second. I can bear.
You might want to crawl into a fetal position right now and start singing "Jesus Loves the Little Children."
I can bear to see him without a shirt on, giving me a hug.
His hairy back. His hairy.
This is going on YouTube, you know that, right? See where I get my weirdness from? How about you, Tomes?
Well, I'm not paying attention. I'm watching Tom and Jerry right now.
Make a funny noise.
Nah, that wasn't that funny. That's all I came up with.
I make weird faces all day. Don't I, Mom?
Don't
Yes.
burn your iPod time.
Oh, I'm done with hiccups anyway. Okay. Bye, guys.
Deuce is.